Welcome. In front of me I have Nokia 216 and today I will show you how you can turn on Dictionary T9 when you are sending messages. So how you can turn it on or turn it off. So at first you have to go for the messages, then click here to create message and go below for your message pool. And right now when you want to turn on the Dictionary T9, just click and hold hash. As you can see right now it's turned on, and if you want to get rid of that, because take a look, it looks right that right now. So if you want to get rid of that and you want to type normally without that dictionary, you have to also click and hold the hash and it's turned off. So right now when you want to type the same message, we have to make it like that. And then you can click send if you input here receiver. So that's how it looks, and if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.